you ready to embark on a transformative journey that promises connection, growth, and compassion? I am thrilled to introduce you to my new community program, 365 Days of Integrating Nonviolent Communication with the book Live Compassion as the Shared Foundation. So the book was born out of the call for support for living NVC every day and the challenge of remembering to bring it into mind and into practice. The book launched in November, and I'm now offering the Live Compassion Community Program to support those of you who are working through the book over the coming year. In this year-long adventure, you'll join a vibrant community of like-minded individuals, all passionate about weaving nonviolent communication principles into the fabric of their lives. This program is designed to be your compass, guiding you through the enriching terrain of self-discovery, empathy, and authentic expression. Imagine 24 community calls totaling 36 hours of interactive sessions where you connect with my expertise and the expertise of some of my trained staff. These calls are not just opportunities to learn, but also spaces to share your insights, ask questions, and receive some coaching. Companionship, support, inspiration. These calls are the heartbeat of this community. But that's not all. We have 4 3-hour workshops to deepen your learning, transform triggers, pain, and judgment using self-empathy, bring clarity and compassion into your authentic expression with honest expression. Learn the nuances of empathy and practice, practice, practice. That's what it takes. These workshops are live online. So do you find maybe you need more personalized guidance? If so, individual coaching sessions are also here for you that you can add in. Explore your unique situations, ask questions, role play, and practice applying NVC to your internal dialogue, as well as interactions with others. It's your space to dive deeply into your own personal process as I coach and facilitate you. And of course, what's a journey without companions? Our private Facebook group is your virtual sanctuary. There you can share your celebrations, challenges, learnings, and inspiration. Practice living compassion with one another through open-hearted communication within the group. So, are you ready to transform from within, to connect, learn, grow, and share in a community that values authenticity and compassion? Join us on this incredible journey as we work through the book together and have consistent modes of support. Check out the details below to register and become part of a community that's really dedicated to making compassion a way of life in our thoughts, our words, and our actions. Be sure to reach out to me with any questions you may have. I can't wait to welcome you to the circle. So I'll see you on the journey where transformation begins within and companionship expands and deepens our capacity for authenticity and compassion. Let's live compassion together.